This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly. Let's go straight into pricing, because this is where FreshBooks and Paymo immediately reveal their core philosophies. FreshBooks follows a client-based pricing model that is designed primarily for freelancers and service-based businesses that bill customers regularly. The Lite plan starts at approximately $8.40 per month on promotional pricing and allows invoicing for up to 5 clients. This plan covers the basics like professional invoices, expense tracking, time tracking, online payments, and tax-ready reports, but it becomes restrictive very quickly once a business grows beyond a handful of customers. The Plus plan, which is FreshBooks' most popular tier, costs around $15.20 per month and raises the client cap to $50. This tier unlocks estimates, proposals, retainers, recurring invoices, automated payment reminders, and stronger reporting tools. For many freelancers and consultants, this is the practical minimum plan. The premium plan jumps to roughly $26 per month and removes client limits entirely, adds project profitability, ability tracking, customizable email templates, and more advanced financial reporting. Larger teams are pushed into the Select plan, which is custom priced and designed for higher volume businesses that need dedicated support. Over time, FreshBooks becomes a recurring operational expense that scales upward as client counts, add-ons, and team access increase. Paymo approaches pricing from a completely different angle. Instead of charging based on client volume, Paymo prices per user and per feature depth. It starts with a free plan at $0 per month, which includes basic time tracking, unlimited tasks, limited invoicing, and a small number of projects and clients. This tier works only for testing or extremely small solo workflows. The solo plan costs around $9.90 per month and is aimed at individual freelancers who need flat rate projects, retainers, task views, calendars, Kanban boards, and basic collaboration. The Plus plan increases to about $15.90 per user per month and adds project templates, task spreadsheets, recurring tasks, bulk time entries, active timers, profitability tracking, and automated invoicing. The Pro plan climbs to approximately $23.90 per user per month and introduces advanced scheduling, workload management, approvals, leave tracking, priority support, and significantly higher storage limits. FreshBooks feature set is tightly focused on accounting, simplicity, and client-facing workflows. Core features include professional invoicing, estimates, proposals, expense tracking, receipt capture, automated bank connections, recurring billing, late payment reminders, online payments, and tax time reports. FreshBooks also supports project tracking, time billing, retainers, and accountant collaboration, allowing accountants to access the books directly without exporting data. The interface is modern, clean, and intentionally guided, making it easy for non-accountants to stay organized without feeling overwhelmed by accounting terminology. However, FreshBooks does have limitations. Costs increase as businesses grow, especially due to client caps and paid add-ons. Inventory management is minimal, workflow customization is limited, and deeper operational controls are missing. Some users feel constrained by FreshBooks' predefined structure rather than empowered to build their own workflows. FreshBooks excels for service professionals, but it can feel restrictive for businesses that need advanced project management or internal process tracking. Paymo takes a far more operations-centric approach compared to FreshBooks, positioning itself as a hybrid between project management software and billing tools. At its core, Paymo is built to help teams understand how work flows through their business. Core features include task lists, Kanban boards, Gantt charts, task dependencies, recurring tasks, bulk time entries, live timers, timesheets, approvals, and workload scheduling. These tools allow managers to see who is working on what, how long tasks take, where bottlenecks exist, and whether projects are staying within budget. Time tracking is one of Paymo's strongest areas. Users can track time in real time or log it manually, assign hours to tasks or projects, and convert approved time entries directly into invoices. Timesheets can be reviewed, approved, and locked, which is especially valuable for agencies and distributed teams. Paymo also includes project profitability reports that compare billable time and expenses against budgets, giving managers clear visibility into margins before projects go off track. On the financial side, Paymo supports invoicing, estimates, recurring invoices, retainers, expense tracking, and multi-currency billing. Invoices can be customized, automated, and sent directly to clients, while expenses can be allocated to projects for accurate cost tracking. File proofing and versioning tools allow teams to review designs, documents, and assets collaboratively, reducing feedback loops and miscommunication. Integrations and API access are available on higher plans, allowing Paymo to connect with external tools and reporting systems. That depth does come with trade-offs. Paymo's interface is denser and less beginner-friendly than FreshBooks. New users often face a learning curve, particularly when setting up projects, dependencies, schedules, and approvals. Because pricing is per user, costs increase quickly as teams grow. Paymo also lacks full accounting features such as tax filing automation, payroll, or general ledger accounting, meaning many businesses still pair it with separate bookkeeping software. In terms of user feedback, FreshBooks holds a Trustpilot rating of approximately 3.8 out of 5 based on hundreds of reviews, with users frequently praising ease of invoicing and usability while noting pricing concerns and feature limits. Paymo holds a strong rating of around 4.7 out of 5 on Capterra from several hundred reviews, with consistent praise for time tracking, project control, and team visibility. Ratings can change over time and vary by platform, so always check the most recent listings before making a decision. The final takeaway is straightforward. FreshBooks is ideal for freelancers and service-based businesses that want clean invoicing, light accounting, and minimal setup. Paymo is better suited for teams that need structured project management, time tracking, and profitability insights across multiple workflows. Click the link below to explore both platforms in detail, compare plans side by side, and choose the tool that fits how you actually run your business. If this comparison helped clarify your choice, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the links below to access the software directly.